Can you answer these English vocabulary MCQs for competitive exams? Let's test your English. First, what is the synonym of abundant? Your options are A. Plentiful, B. Scarce, C. Rare, D. Little. Your correct answer is option A. Plentiful. Plentiful is the synonym of abundant. Next, what is the antonym of accept? Your options are A. Receive, B. Approve, C. Reject, D. Agree. Correct answer is option C. Reject. Reject is the antonym of accept. Next, what is the synonym of accurate? Your options are A. Correct, B. Wrong, C. False, D. Rough. Correct answer is option A. Correct. Correct is the synonym of accurate. Next, what is the antonym of active? Your options are A. Energetic, B. Lazy, C. Busy, D. Strong. Your correct answer is option B. Lazy. Lazy is the antonym of active. Next, what is the synonym of admire? Your options are A. Praise, B. Hate, C. Ignore, D. Avoid. Correct answer is option A. Praise. Praise is the synonym of admire. Next, what is the antonym of advance? Your options are A. Progress, B. Move, C. Retreat, D. Improve. Your correct answer is option C. Retreat. Your retreat is the antonym of advance. Next, what is the synonym of aid? Your options are A. Help, B. Harm, C. Hurt, D. Stop. Your correct answer is option A. Help. Help is the synonym of aid. Your question number 8. What is the antonym of alive? Your options are A. Living, B. Dead, C. Active, D. Healthy. Your correct answer is option B. Dead. Your question number 9. What is the synonym of allow? Your options are A. Permit, B. Stop, C. Ban, D. Refuse. Your correct answer is option A. Permit. Permit is the synonym of allow. Next question. What is the antonym of ancient? Your options are A. Old, B. Modern, C. Past, D. Former. Your correct answer is option B. Modern. Modern is the antonym of ancient. Next, what is the synonym of angry? Your options are A. Furious, B. Happy, C. Calm, D. Gentle. Correct answer is option A. Furious. Furious is the synonym of angry. Next, what is the antonym of arrive? Your options are A. Rich, B. Come, C. Depart, D. Entire. Your correct answer is option C. Depart. Depart is the antonym of arrive. Next, what is the synonym of assist? Your options are A. Help, B. Hurt, C. Ignore, D. Refuse. Your correct answer is option A. Help. Help is the synonym of assist. Next, what is the antonym of attract? Your options are A. Pull, B. Draw, C. Repel, D. Invite. Your correct answer is option C. Repel. Next, What is the synonym of awful? Your options are A. Terrible, B. Pleasant, C. Nice, D. Happy. Your correct answer is option A. Terrible. Next, what is the antonym of beautiful? Your options are A. Pretty, B. Attractive, C. Ugly, D. Lovely. The correct answer is option C, ugly. Next, what is the synonym of begin? Your options are A start, B finish, C and D close. Your correct answer is option A start. Start is the synonym of begin. Next, what is the antonym of bold? Your options are A brave, B fearless, C timid, D strong. Your correct answer is option C timid. Timid is the antonym of bold. Next, what is the synonym of bright? Your options are A shiny, B dark, C full, dull, D dim. Correct answer is option A shiny. Shiny is the synonym of bright. Next, what is the antonym of build? Your options are A. Construct, B. Create, C. Destroy, D. Make. Your correct answer is option C. Destroy. How many answers did you get right out of 30? Out of 20? Comment your score and subscribe to learn English vocabulary.